the next cell type. Eosinophils, let me create the structure of that particular cell also. It is bilobed. You also have two lobes in basophils, but in this case, a very narrow, thin, connector is there, which connects these two lobes. So nucleus is bilobed nucleus is there. And the granules, if we talk about granules, it will have red colored granules, and red color when they are stained with acidic dyes. So these are the granules. It plays very, very important role in the mucous membrane. Okay, these cells, they migrate to tissue, especially the mucus, and then the defense of this particular cell is associated with parasites, those helminths, protozoans, those worms, those parasites. They're the main target of basophils. So if we talk about the different molecules associated with this, first is cationic peptides. So it releases peptide molecules, and these peptide molecules are nothing but chains of amino acids. That is what I'm drawing right over here, chains of amino acid, and they are positively charged. That's the point. One positive charge is there in those particular cationic peptides, and what they do is they target membrane. That's why they kill the organisms, the pathogens. Next is ROI, which is also known as reactive oxygen intermediates. And what are these? These are free radical, basically. So let me also write it down: free radicals, and they are associated with killing the pathogens. So the role of these free radicals is basically to kill the pathogen that is trying to enter inside our body. And how that is completed because of the oxidative stress, and it generates that oxidative stress that causes the killing of those organisms. Now it is also very, very important in case of allergic reaction. But the role of this is to control the allergic reaction. Point number one is it can enhance type 1 hypersensitivity. That is for sure. That's very, very important point associated with basophils. Next is histamine. If we talk about histamine molecule, it produces an enzyme which is histaminase. Okay, and this histaminase enzyme is able to take care of the histamine, so it can control the allergic reaction. Another one is aryl sulfatase. It's also an enzyme, so that breaks down the leukotrienes. So again, it's reducing the inflammation. So overall, allergic reaction is going to get controlled by this particular cell.